Goodie guys, today let's talk about the data analysis workflow, right? Data doesn't become insight by accident, right? It follows a process, a procedure. This is called data analysis workflow, and it happens in 5 simple steps. Data collection. Data collection is it says where does the data come from. This is the stage where we gather data from sources like Excel files, websites, surveys, apps, or company databases. Examples: sales numbers, website clicks, customer reviews. The second process is data cleaning, right? This is where you make sure that there are no errors on your data. You make sure that the data is usable. Raw data is messy, so we remove errors, we remove duplicates, we remove missing values or wrong entries, because DT data equals DT results. We have the exploratory data analysis, like what's inside this data. Here we start exploring. We calculate things like the averages, the trends, and relationships between variables. Examples: which product sells the most at what time to which customer group, right? Then the fourth process is the visualization, or the pictorial representation and interpretation of this data. Here you turn numbers into stories, right? We create charts, we create graphs or dashboards, then we interpret the meaning behind them. Example: sales increased, right, when we posted more on social media. That's a pattern, right? The final step or procedure in this data analysis workflow is decision making. So what do we do now, right? We have already analyzed this. It says this is the goal of the entire process. We use the results to take action, maybe launch a campaign, adjust prices, improve strategy. Without decisions, analysis is what? Pointless. So it's safe to always remember that the workflow starts from the collecting, the cleaning, the exploring, the visualization, and the decision. That's how raw data becomes smart decisions. Follow so you don't miss the next part of this data series. Thank you.